This is our split window conversion kit that we've designed, flush mount. We made it flush mount for two reasons. One, because the astronomical price of moldings, the rear window molding at about $3,500 for the outside, about $2,000 for the inside, and then wherever you're at on the windshield molding is a lot. And the other big factor is the leaks. The 63 Corvette, to get one that doesn't leak is a chore. And so we're trying to make this fair weather car something that's watertight. So our flush mount glass will make that part of it watertight. Our windshield surround is epoxied into your car. You bodywork to fit the glass. And then at that point you have the inside molding of the windshield that is designed to come up tight to the existing glass because we've eliminated the windshield. Our inside trim, keep in mind that original windshield's held in with a big rubber weather strip. And your original molding is made to fit that. We've eliminated that weather strip, now we have a flush mount glass, so we've also made the inside molding to fit the glass from the back side. We're going to jump to the back of the car. Is our three-piece kit, which is the two rear windows and another surround panel that goes in. You epoxy it, body work it to the car, body work the glass. So now you have another part that's watertight in the back of the car. Keep in mind it's flush mount, no moldings. Our headliner. The headliner comes in behind the windshield. The upper trim on the windshield to the headliner, all made to fit. The moldings that go down the side of the car and across the back, all built in the headliner. So you have a gorgeous Class A finish headliner. You can choose to do whatever you like, paint it, leather it, vinyl it. And then the last part is the inside molding for the back window. So instead of having the individual pieces that go around each window, it's one big panel. So now it's finished off. Once again, it's like the rest of the inside. Paint it if you like, leather it, however you want to go with it. So that's just to give you an explanation. Hopefully it helps. Keep in mind, we highly recommend you use epoxy to bond everything together. Two factors. It's stronger. It's not going to give you the shrink like a polyester product, and you can get a longer pot life so you're not in a rush. You're not pushing it. You can take your time and do it right. Thanks.